With the beta release of Splitgate's map creator, players now have the power to make almost any map imaginable. As you'd expect, the map creator introduces a whole suite of new tools and controls, which I'll be explaining in this video. You'll learn that Splitgate's map creator is quite straightforward once you understand the menus and the controls. Keep in mind that this is only version 1 of the map creator beta, so improvements and changes will be made in the future. We'll include notes about future changes to the map creator in the video description. Anyways, let's portal straight in. To get to the map creator, simply select play and then map creator on the bottom right. After that, you can either select multiplayer mode or leave it unselected to keep it single player. We'll talk about multiplayer in map creator later. When you're ready, just hit start to begin your new map. Welcome to Flat Earth, technically Splitgate's newest map. Not a whole lot's going on here yet. There's no walls, buildings, weapons, or portal surfaces. Let's change that by switching into build mode and pressing 0 on the number row. Now that we're in build mode, all the tools of the map creator are at our fingertips. Right now, we're in the free cam state, which allows us to move and look around anywhere we want. When picking up an object, you'll orbit around the object instead of looking around, and your movement will bring the object along with you. Left click to grab and let go of objects. Those were the basics of movement. Now let's take a look at the menu. To open the menu, press the M key. First we'll select objects, then portal walls. Here you'll see a variety of portal surfaces to place on the map. Let's spawn a portal cube. You can move selected objects in the menu, rotate them, and scale them. Note that you can only scale a few types of objects. In the future, we might include more scalable objects to map creator or add more size varieties. If you have any feedback on what we should do to improve the map creator, let us know on the official Splitgate Discord server or tag us on these social media sites. There are a wide variety of objects you can place on your map. Blocks, floors, railings, ramps, tunnels, walls, wedges, portal walls, and an assortment of props. I'm going to build out an example map really quick and show you a few more tricks. For this part of my map, I want to lay out a row of blocks as quickly as possible. I'll first select the block I want and place it down. All I have to do to copy the previous grabbed object is by pressing the Z key. Place the copied object down and repeat. Let's say I want to quickly replace one of these blocks with a tunnel. Select it and choose a new object in the menu to swap. To speed things up even more, you can make your map creator lobby open to multiplayer and have friends help make and test your map. Map creator multiplayer supports up to 8 players and is invite only, so you don't have to worry about any random people joining and touching your map. And here's the first version of our example map. Now let's place down the objective game mode spawners. Keep in mind that you can't delete the objective objects because custom maps have to work in all game mode types. There are 3 domination points, a red, blue, and neutral flag, an oddball, and between 4 and 6 king of the hill points. With the objective spawners placed correctly, we're ready to test it out in custom games. Save the map and then back out to the lobby. Go to the maps menu on the bottom left, choose My Maps, and then select the gear icon to rename the map to anything you want. Selecting your newly created map in Customs is similar to the map creator lobby. You'll find it in the My Maps section. Now we're finally ready to try it out. Other players in the lobby can save their own copy of the map in the Map Options button at the bottom. Keep testing and making adjustments to your map until it plays exactly the way you want. Sometimes it just takes another pair of eyes to see how something can improve. And on that note, remember to tell us what you think Splitgate's map creator needs in future updates. This has been a guide on version 1 of the map creator beta. Thanks for watching.